How much protein should I eat to gain muscle? Protein is the building block of muscle, but how much do you really need to eat to maximize your gains? In this video, we'll break it all down for you. Protein is a macronutrient essential for repairing and building muscle tissue. It's made up of amino acids, which act as the body's construction crew. When you work out, your muscles develop tiny tears. Protein helps repair these tears through a process called muscle protein synthesis, allowing your muscles to grow stronger. For most sedentary people, the recommended daily allowance for protein is 0.8 grams per kilogram of body weight. But for those building muscle, that's just the starting point. If you're active and aiming to build muscle, experts recommend eating between 1.4 and 2.2 grams of protein per kilogram of body weight daily. Let's say you weigh 150 pounds, or about 68 kilograms. Multiply that by 1.4 to 2.2, and you'll need 95 to 150 grams of protein daily. That's approximately 0.64 to 1 gram of protein per pound of body weight. It's not just how much protein you eat, but when. Spreading your intake evenly across meals helps optimize muscle protein synthesis. After a workout, your muscles are primed for repair. Consuming protein within 30 minutes to 2 hours post-workout can enhance recovery. Great protein sources include chicken, fish, eggs, beans, lentils, and plant-based options like tofu and tempeh. Don't forget to balance your plate. Pairing protein with carbohydrates and healthy fats provides the energy your body needs to recover and grow. Hydration is key. Water supports protein metabolism and helps flush out waste products from muscle repair. More protein isn't always better. Overloading can strain your kidneys and lead to digestive issues. As we age, muscle mass naturally declines. Increasing protein intake can help prevent muscle loss and maintain strength. For personalized guidance, consult a registered dietitian or healthcare provider to find the right balance for your goals. Remember, protein is essential for muscle growth, but balance is key. Use these tips to fuel your body, build muscle, and achieve your fitness goals.